Hey everybody, welcome back to your new video blog from your favorite iPhone Bloke channel where we help people to pick up quality products. So in today's video presentation, I want to talk about one of those unbelievable and unknown feature which you already have in your iPhone, and it can be also called as life-saving feature. So yes, indeed, I'm talking about a feature called SOS, which you would get when you go and click on settings. So when you click on settings, you have to go down and click after Touch ID, a service called Emergency SOS. So let's click on that. Now we've clicked this particular option where once you click this option, you get a couple of options like how many times you want to click the top button of your phone to send emergency signals, and then the functions like auto call and emergency contact should always be uploaded to make sure that you get emergency when you are down and out. So I have done all this information just for sake of this presentation, and I'll tell you also how to do it. So the first thing first, what you have to do, you have to go and click edit emergency contact in health. Now in this section, you'll be able to see who you are, your details, your health details, and your emergency contact number, which you can feed with the help of edit button on top of the screen. So once these things are done and dusted, then the next thing what you have to do, you have to go back and go on the same option called emergency services, which is SOS. Now, why do we need emergency services? So this is a sort of a service system which comes extremely boonful when you do not have any other option to save your life, or let's say you've met with a bad accident and there's nobody to help you out. So if you're not in a position to give a call or to talk to somebody, then definitely with the help of emergency services SOS, you can always contact your near and dear ones, and they'll be available to fetch you with the information and data shared by your iPhone. But to make sure that you get this option, you have to first enable emergency SOS services, and you have to feed the number of that specific individual to whomsoever you want to contact when you are down and out. So for this, what you have to do, you have to go, if you see an arrow over here, the top button of your iPhone, you have to press 3 times to initiate the emergency services. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So that's how you work with the help of emergency full when you are down and out and when you need support. So with this video, I want to showcase that this is also one of the importance of buying an iPhone. And if you happen to have that wonderful cell phone in your hands, then you're in safe hands for sure. So thanks a lot once again for joining us today for this wonderful learning session, which I believe should be very, very helpful in terms of life-saving moments. Thanks a lot, and meet you next time till we get our next video. Take care.